exploring the phrase, tuning slide, a journey through musical terminology. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of musical terms, specifically focusing on the phrase, tuning slide. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will enhance your understanding and enrich your vocabulary. So, let's get started. The term, tuning slide, refers to a component found in many brass instruments like trumpets, trombones, and horns. It's a movable tube that musicians adjust to fine-tune the pitch of the instrument. By sliding it in or out, the player can alter the instrument's length, thus changing the pitch. This is crucial for ensuring the instrument plays in harmony with others. Understanding the tuning slide is essential for anyone involved in music. It's not just a physical part of the instrument, it symbolizes the need for precision and harmony in music. When a musician adjusts the tuning slide, they are seeking the perfect pitch, crucial for a harmonious performance. This concept can also be metaphorical, representing the fine-tuning needed in many aspects of life and learning. You might hear tuning slide in various contexts, especially in conversations about music. It can be used literally, discussing the instrument part, or metaphorically, talking about making small adjustments for improvement. For instance, he's really good at the tuning slide, ensuring the trumpet always sounds perfect. Or, just like adjusting a tuning slide, she fine-tuned her presentation skills. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, tuning slide, and its significance in both the literal and metaphorical sense. Remember, language learning is like playing an instrument. It's all about fine-tuning your skills. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English. See you in the next video.